With AI workflows getting better, you can generate designs instantly, create product ads much faster, and create more content like UGC videos and social media ads without going through a full production process every single time. So today I'm going to show you how you can take almost any product and turn it into an AI generated UGC style e-commerce ad using Vidu.com. And the best part is we are not filming a creator, we are not hiring a model, we are not doing a full product shoot. Instead, I'm going to walk you through a full workflow from the design creation to the consistent video scenes, and then I'll show you the final result at the end. So if you sell products online, especially print on demand products, or if you run e-commerce ads, or if you just want to create better product content faster, this is going to be useful. You will find a link in the description that will take you direct to the Vidu platform. So once you are in, you will have a similar interface. The platform has many references for image and video generations that you can check and see how examples were generated, which prompts and which model was used. On the left side, you will find the main menu. There are many important features that we're going to use: the reference to video, the text to video, and the image generation tab. So let's start by going to the image generation tab to create our design. Inside you will find two main features: the reference to image and the text to image, and on the right side all the previous generations. And here you can choose the model to use for the generations. They have now the GPT image 2.0 and of course the nano banana. Since we are going to create a design from scratch, we have to switch first to the text to image tab and place our prompt. The prompt says a streetwear raccoon themed t-shirt design, merged by Amazon style, t-shirt graphic, no mockup on a plain background. Very simple and direct prompt, and I'm going to choose the GPT image 2 model, leave the resolution on 10 by 80, change the aspect ratio to 3 by 4 and the number of generations to 3 images, and press on the create button. And on the right side we get to see the generations. As you can see, all the 3 generations using the GPT image 2.0 are great. Very nice streetwear design using the raccoon as the main figure. All the 3 generations look perfect. Very nice style that can be used for merch. I think I like this one. I'm going to use this design as my main design. Now we have our design ready. We need to decide how we are going to sell this design on and generate the visual foundation for the ad. That means the product visuals, the ad creator or influencer style character, and the overall mood I want for the ad. So I'm going to download this design, and for the product visuals, I think this would fit great on a black hoodie, on the back side of a black hoodie, and I can easily sell it using any print-on-demand platform like Printify or Printful. So I will use ChatGPT to generate prompts that I can use to generate my design visuals on the hoodie. So simply I'm going to upload the design and ask ChatGPT to write me different prompts for different product angles of a black hoodie with the attached design to be on the back side. And once I have these prompts ready, I will go back to Vidu and generate the visuals. Now I have my prompts. Simply, I'm going to copy the prompts, go back to the text to image tab, and this time I'm going to the reference to image tab, choose the nano banana model, paste the prompt, and add the design as an image reference. So I'll start adding each prompt to the prompt window with the design attached, and I'm going to generate 4 images every time and eventually select the best ones. I'm using the Nano Banana Pro for this process, and I used the prompts that I got from ChatGPT to generate lots of images for my hoodie from different angles to use for the UGC video generation later. So I kept adding prompts and generate images, all of them on the same aspect ratio, 3 by 4 on the reference to image tab, until I have collected lots of images that show the hoodie clearly with the design from different angles. Now the following part is really important. We need to create our AI character that would look realistic and at the same time remain consistent in all the video that we are going to generate. So first I'll ask ChatGPT to write me some prompts to generate my character, and then I'll use it also on Vidu image generation to generate different images of the character. This time on the text to image tab, I started pasting the prompts that I got from ChatGPT, similar to what I did before. I wanted wanted a character that would fit my streetwear design. So the character is in late 20s with light blue hair and yellow eyeglasses. And the prompt says, show him from about the chest up facing the camera. We wanted to clearly have the face visible. And similar to what we did before, we are going to generate lots of images for the influencer using the Nano Banana model or the GPT Image 2 model. So I started to get some results, and I think the influencer looks great. This image looks perfect. So I downloaded a couple of images. So now I have lots of images of samples of the characters that were generated by the platform. But we need to have a consistent character. So I'm going to choose one of these images. This one looks great. I think this is the character that I want. I'm going to download this image, and in the reference to image tab, I'm going to add this image, and I'm going to paste my prompt to start generating images using the same model or the same person so that I can have a library of images with consistent character. So the reference image here is important for consistency. We use the platform first to generate different characters with the same characteristics described, and then I choose the best one that I like and add it as a reference to generate other images of this exact person. Again, I'm using the same prompts, but this time with the reference image to generate different angles of my character. And here are a couple of images that I got also on the platform that represent my AI influencer or my character in different positions and different angles. And I'm going to download a couple of these images to use it in the final step for generating the UGC style videos. And if you press on the Assets tab on your dashboard, you will get to see all the generated images all on the same page. Now here comes the most important part, creating UGC videos of our character and our product, which is the hoodie in this case. So to do that, we are going to go to the My Reference tab inside the Assets to create our references. So we need to create a reference for our influencer and then a reference for our product. Press on the Create Reference tab. Press on the Create Reference tab. Upload the images of your influencer. So I'm going to choose an image as the main reference and two optional references or two optional images. So I'm going to use all these three images, add a name for the reference. In this case, I'm going to call it influencer1 and then press on next step. And you will see that Vidu will generate a description for the reference image. In this case, it generated a description of my influencer, and then press on next to save your influencer reference. We're going to do the same with our product. We're going to press on the Create Reference and add three images of our product. It's important to choose images that clearly show the product and the design on it. I'm going to add a reference name, Raccoon Hoodie, and press next, and this is going to automatically generate a description of the saved reference, similar to what has happened before, a description that describes the reference in clear details. Now we have our influencer and our product references saved. The final step is to generate our UGC videos using the character or the influencer and the product. So to do that, go to the Reference to Video tab. Make sure that you are on the Reference to Video tab. Press on Reference and add both your references to the chat box. Simply click on the influencer reference and the design or the product reference, and both of them will be added directly to the prompt box, and then add your prompt. You can use ChatGPT again or any AI model to write creative UGC video, add prompts for you. So my prompt says create a vertical cinematic UGC style video using the attached reference of the man and the attached reference of the hoodie. Show the man in a softly lit modern room holding the hoodie. So I created a couple of add creative prompts and I started to test them. I'm using the Vidu Q3 model, as this model is very powerful on the platform. I found out that the Vidu Q3 model provides high-speed action performance and in-scene text rendering. So this is the one that I'm using to generate my videos. I also have the duration set on 8 seconds and the amount to 4 to generate a couple of videos at the same time. and the aspect ratio on 16:9 for the first couple of generations. And I'm going to do the same, generating multiple videos using different prompts and different aspect ratios between the vertical and the horizontal ratio. And these are some of the videos that I got on the platform. All of them show very realistic ad creation with the influencer and the product. Some of them show my influencer wearing the hoodie, and some of them show the influencer holding the hoodie as per my description. Now, using the videos that I have created on Vidu, and after adding voiceover using any free tool like 11 Labs or any other tool, I was able to generate this UGC-style e-commerce ad, which was built from a product concept, creator visuals, references, all on Vidu platform.
Okay, this hoodie caught my attention. The design is great, and the quality is superb. Great streetwear design. Get your copy now using the link in the description.
So what I like most about this workflow is that it gives you a much more realistic path from idea to ad. Instead of just generating random clips and hoping something works, you can actually build around consistency and structure. So if you want to try Vidu for yourself, check the link in the description. And if you want, I can also do a follow-up video where I create more versions of this ad style, test different products, or even compare different ad workflows side by side. And by the way, you can now generate unlimited number of videos of your influencer, and you can make him or her in an ad with other products by simply creating other references of other products and add it to the influencer reference and generate videos. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.